Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today we're going to be working in Design Space and we're going to go over how to do print to cut. I'm going to show you guys how to bring in an image and use for print to cut, and also how to add words to a shape and print and cut it. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up Design Space and open up a new canvas. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. Hit the notification button to be notified when I do post new videos. And then you want to go to your side toolbar and hit upload. And I'm going to just bring in any photo that I found on Google. It's going to be a PNG image. It does not have to be a PNG image because you can remove the background in Design Space. So let's go to find. Oh Lord, my images is not on here because my drive is not hooked up. So we're just gonna go find one here. So I'm gonna grab Baby Eeyore. And as you see, it doesn't have any background, but if you do have a background, you will get a prompt for you to remove it. I'm going to insert it here. We're going to go and save it as a print and cut. As you see, if you save it to cut as an image, it only cuts the shadow of the image because this is not a SVG. This is not a layered item. So make sure you have print and cut image click and then hit save. I'm going to go back and just show you guys how to remove the background from an image. So let's just go and find Laugh Out Loud doll. Go to images. And we're going to grab something. As you see, this is not a PNG, so I'm going to save it. Under downloads. I'm going to go back to Design Space. I'm going to go to Upload Image. I'm going to browse. Of course, you can do the drag and drop method. That's the method I usually use. So browse, download is where I put the image at. And as you can see, it has a white background. I always choose complex when I'm bringing in any image, no matter what it looks like. I always choose complex. Continue, and this is where you're able to remove your background. So just select an erase tool or the eraser, and then you can crop. So the select and erase tool is usually the tool that's always selected when you first begin. Just hit your white, and you can see that it removed all the white except for the white in the inside of her arms. And I also want the inside of her arm, the white removed. So click there, and I'll click there, and I have the image I need. So hit continue. Save it as a print and cut. You can change the image name here. I usually don't change it. I need to start doing that because it's easier for you to search when you're looking for something. But hit save and wait for Design Space to do what it needs to do. And then you can bring both images in if you want. I'm just bringing in Eeyore. I'm going to just change his size. So, okay. And then I'm going to move him to the side. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the writing for print to cut. So I want the writing to be placed in a circle. So I'm going to have my circle here. And if you want your circle to be blue, purple, green, yellow, you can change it to that and have your printer print out yellow, blue, pink, and then cut it out. But I don't print colors when I'm using the Cricut if I don't have to. I'll just use that color cardstock. So if I wanted this to be red, I'll put red cardstock in my printer and print out the words on the red cardstock. That way I'm saving ink. So, but we're gonna just do a white one, right? A white one now. So I'm just gonna change it to a light gray just so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna go to the text and I'm going to insert my text. So we're gonna say you're invited. I'm going to change the font a little bit. No. Remember, you can change the font color to whatever color you want. And that's the color that will print. Sorry, guys. Move my circle for a minute. I need to group this. Okay. So you just insert all the information you need, change the font, the colors, size it, whatever you need to do. You can add a photo in, like I can take Eeyore and I can put him here. So let's go and do that. Move to the front. I'm going to copy him. Let's just duplicate. And we're going to put Eeyore here. And then now what we want to do is select your writing, your picture, in your circle. Well, first we want to change our writing, to print. So go up here and just, Lord, why is it not letting me? Sorry, go up to here where it says fill and put print. Now, by me changing this side over here, it changed my colors. And you can go ahead and just change your colors back. To the colors you want. I'm going to put this to... And after you change your writing to print, you want to select your writing, your photo, whatever you want on your shape. You want to select it, and you want to select your shape, and you want to go over to the right hand toolbar and click flatten. And what that does is it flattens the print to your shape. So now you can send it to the printer and it will print out your words, and then Cricut will cut out your shape. So what we're going to do is go to make it. And you see it has our print and cut. So we're going to go to continue. We're going to go to send to printer. Now here it says add bleed. The only reason why I do add bleed if I don't want a small white border. So if you don't want a small white border around your cut, select bleed. I'm gonna not select bleed today. I'm gonna send it to my printer, but I need to actually go put some cardstock in, and then we will select printer, and I will be back to show you how it prints and how it cuts on the machine.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. Give